I'm most excited about the innovation that's happening in biopharmaceuticals. The industry is coming up with new cures for diseases, new therapies that can treat conditions that were previously untreatable. I think that we're really going to move healthcare forward and help a lot of patients over the next few years.
I'm most excited about the forward path for gene therapies. Goodness knows that sector has experienced headwinds and has been out of favor with investors for the past few years.
Gene therapy and genetic medicines. We think 2023 is going to represent a little bit of a turning point for the space. We have new product approvals, impending approvals, so we'll get a better look at how these therapies are going to be commercialized and paid for.
I'm most excited about the pace of innovation. With technological advancements in R&D tools capable of generating huge amounts of biologically relevant data, the advent of machine learning and artificial intelligence, I really believe we're at the precipice of a new innovation in drug discovery, which will enable faster, cheaper, and better drugs.
I think there's a couple key things for 2023. The first is this vertical consolidation thesis that we've talked about, where we're seeing large, well-capitalized payers vertically integrating down into providers, down into value-based care.
In this environment, we feel that it's more important to focus on those names with the highest growth, the most news flow upcoming, and the most vibrant outlooks for a multi-year period of time.
For 3 years, everything has been a tailwind for managed care, but going into 2023, there are a few headwinds from a regulatory perspective and a positioning perspective. For providers, it's still very challenging. We think it's a very difficult year for any provider to grow EBITDA. We're optimistic. There's some conservatism in the guidance. Labor cost is easing. If we could actually see utilization pick up, that would be a big change from what we've seen.
Our outlook for biotech is cautiously optimistic for this year. We think that there's a lot of companies that are positioned for good revenue growth with good earnings growth. We think that's going to drive outperformance of the sector.